What happened, honey?
We buy the cat
We didn't buy it though. Where did this cat come from?
outside.
What did it?
We're gonna keep this one, right?
We can't just keep a cat. Racy, did this cat just walk in our door? And now what are you doing?
We're feeding him a glass of milk. Might not like milk.
Tell me what happened, Reese. Tell me all the things that happened just
We
now.
just bought a cat.
We did not buy this
Yes,
cat. He just
Mom.
walked in our door.
No, he just saw a rabbit.
This cat just walked in our house.
Yeah, and he saw a rabbit.
And he saw a rabbit, but maybe he didn't like that.
I
Guys,
know guys are standing right.
Just put that milk down. Maybe he'll drink it, maybe he won't.
Oh. He's coming. Yeah. You so cute. Yeah. What's your name, Mom? I'm gonna keep this guy.
You can't just keep somebody's cat that walked in our house.
Mom.
This cat has a family.
Oh. Oh, don't go down the rail, honey. Don't go down the rail, honey. Honey, it's dangerous. Honey! Oh, he's trapped. He's trapped.
He's not trapped. He can get out. Cats can go in tiny spaces.
Hey, little guy.
Reese is trapped, but that cat got through.
Oh.
you got a leaf on your feet.
Yeah.
Just go the other way, Reese. You don't have to follow the exact path the cat took.
Mom, I'm gonna keep this. I am gonna take
Why are you guys closing the door? Uh-oh. Why are you closing the door, Blakey? Hey, Blakey, why'd you close the door?
so the cat can stay here.
So the cat is a hostage.
No. He's gonna stay here. When we bring the cat out, we're going to get the bunny in his backyard cage. Hey. Oh, can I take that off of your face? No.
He has a leaf on his whiskers, huh?
Yeah, I missed. Oh, he wants to go downstairs.
He can't go downstairs.
He can only go in this room. Oh, he was hugging on there. Hi, baby. So good. Oh, did you? Hi, baby. I can't believe it. We actually. Oh, Mom, we saw this cat before, yeah?
Yeah, we've seen
that
this
was
cat
lost.
before.
Oh, Dumbo was there.
He's not pulling his tail, he's just petting it.
He likes it.
Mom, we're gonna buy this cat a home, right? Yeah.
This cat is not our cat.
He just walked in.
He just walked in the front door. He was on a cat adventure.
He was on a cat adventure.
You can pet that cat.
Oh, little guy. Oh, I'm gonna give him a glass of milk.
Don't spill that milk.
Oh, I just broke the bottle.